How to buy gel Meteora token. So this token came under the symbol of Meteora. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 2 hours ago. It's very new token and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. This token also trends in number 5 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token updates from here and open your fund wallet for that. And click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token. So as you can see, this is also going to click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much to receive, as you can see. So select the provider for that. I will use the Jupiter and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Meteora token or Meteora token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.